Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. How are you guys doing? I hope you guys are keeping well and wishing you all a very happy Diwali. Today I wanted to do a really nice and a very simple makeup look for Diwali. It's going to be really nice and a very simple makeup look. It will not take you much time and it is again a universally flattering kind of a makeup look. And yeah, let's get started with today's video. And before that, if you haven't subscribed to my channel already, please do like and share my videos and do subscribe to my channel. And yeah, let's get started with today's video. Now I'm not going to do anything crazy on my eyes today, so I'm going to start with my base makeup. And first of all, to prep my skin, I'm taking my Embryolisse cream concentrate. Now it is getting a little bit colder here in Delhi and my skin is being very dry, so I needed something very moisturizing underneath my foundation. I'm just taking a pinch of it into my fingers and I'm going to just apply it all over my face. Next up, for color correcting, I'm taking my Cover FX Correctlic Orange Corrector. And with just my finger, I'm going to apply it mainly on my under eyes where I have a lot of darkness and pigmentation. And a tad bit on my chin area. Next up, for my foundation today, I'm taking my Guerlain Paris L'Essentiel Natural Glow Foundation. And this is what it looks like. It's a beautiful medium coverage foundation, but it's super lightweight on the skin. I'm just taking out 2 pumps of it on the back of my hand and I'm going to apply it all over my face with my finger first, and then I'm going to blend it out using my beauty sponge. Now the shade on this is a bit light for me, but I'm going to make it work with the help of my bronzer and blush and everything. But in itself, it is a really beautiful and a very lightweight foundation. It will give you a really beautiful and a very seamless finish to the face, just like your skin but better. Next up, for my concealer, I'm taking my Clinique Beyond Perfecting Super Concealer. Now this is one of my absolute favorite concealers and I also mentioned in my top 10 concealers video. It is such a beautiful and a very hydrating concealer. You do not need too much of it, just a pinch of it, and it will give you a beautiful, almost a fuller coverage, and it looks absolutely beautiful on the skin. It looks just like nothing. It blends out like a dream and it gives a very beautiful and a very hydrating finish. I'm applying it just on my under eye area and on the center of my face where I need some more extra coverage, and I'm using my finger itself to blend it out. Next up, to set my concealer, I'm taking my Marc Jacobs Accomplice powder. With a smaller powder brush, I'm going to set just the areas where I've applied the concealer. I'm not going to set the rest of my face. Now before moving forward, I'm going to quickly go ahead and fill in my eyebrows of the camera. And I'm back. Now I'm going to finish off with the face makeup first, and to add some bronze to my face, I'm taking my Hourglass Ambient Lighting Bronzing Powder. It is a beautiful glowy bronzer. It adds such a nice warmth to the face while still looking really nice and very natural and glowy on the face. With a fluffy eyeshadow brush, I'm also going to take it all over my eyelid because I'm not going to be using any eyeshadows in today's video. Taking it all over my eyelid and up to the crease to add that beautiful gradient and a tad bit of warmth to my eyelids. Next up, for the blush, I'm taking my Shiseido Minimalist Whipped Powder Blush in the shade Setsuko. And next for my highlighter, I'm taking my Dior Skin Nude Luminizer in the shade Pink Glow. And I'm applying it on all the high points of my face. It is a beautiful pinky-ish kind of a highlighter, and it adds such a beautiful and a very natural looking glow to the face. And with an eyeshadow brush, I'm also going to apply it along with my brow bone, the inner corner of my eye, and on the cupid's bow. Now for my eyes, I'm going to keep it really nice and simple. I'm just taking some of my MAC Technicolor eyeliner in the shade Broke. It is a beautiful brown eyeliner, and I'm just using it to add a nice winged eyeliner along with my upper lash line. It is such a beautiful bronzy brown kind of an eyeliner, and trust me guys, it in itself gives you a full on eye makeup look. You do not really need anything much with this, just a tad bit of a bronzer onto your eyelid and then this eyeliner. It gives a beautiful festive makeup look. And that is it. That is all I'm going to be doing on my eyes today. I am going to finish off this eye look with a nice coating of mascara. I will not be using falsies today because I want to keep it really nice and very simple. And for the mascara today, I'm using my Too Faced Better Than Love mascara. And I'm just going to add 2 to 3 very heavy coats of this mascara on my eyelashes. Now again, it is a cult classic and for a good reason. I also mentioned it in my top 10 mascaras video, and it gives such a beautiful and a very dramatic effect to your eyelashes. I'm also going to add a tiny amount of it on my lower lashes. And last but not the least, I'm going to finish off the look with my Givenchy Intense Color Sensuously Matte Lip Color in the shade Brune Casual. It is a beautiful brown peachy nude. And it again is a go-to kind of a lip color. If you cannot decide on what to wear, this is a lip color that you can go to, and it will look absolutely beautiful with just any kind of a makeup look. Now it's a festive makeup look, so it cannot be complete without a bindi. So I'm going to add a nice bindi to finish off the look. And yeah guys, that is it. This is the final finished makeup look. Such a quick and a very simple makeup look. It will not take you more than 10 minutes to do this makeup look, and you can walk out the door with just this makeup and you will look absolutely beautiful. I hope you guys enjoy watching my videos. If you do, please like and share my videos and do subscribe to my channel, and I will see you guys in my next video. Thank you. Bye bye.